How do I look? We going to Vegas.
1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I've been rolling in since the clock came Monday morning. From the end of the week, I'm bound to blow. Breeze walking through the honky tonk like a pack of wolves now. Order of a round of stripes and it's away we go.
Hello. Take us to Las Vegas. Got first class Southwest. Okay, let's check out our comped room. The next day. Hey man, so we made it, doc. Now they give me the rope. I feel like cái tầng hưu hấp now. Oh my god, holy shit. Man, this place is so beautiful, man. I walk in, it's all red all over. I like it a lot. I don't think my cousin would like that though.
Give it gangsta, dog, give it gangsta.
It's tough. You could do so many activities here, man. We go out today and go eat. I'm not hungry, but I can still eat. Maybe that's not a good idea.
This sauce is good, but that's not.
Four hours later. We gon' ride horses.
Well, I've been rolling in since the clock came Monday morning. From the end of the week, I'm bound to blow.
We went outside of Vegas about 60 minutes. The Wild West Sunset Horseback Ride with the dinner. Check it out. next day. I can't drink in Vegas because I'm allergic to the alcohol. Can't go to the strip club because I'm allergic to the strip. I get all high-y.
From experience?
I think she got that right.
We're gonna be late. We gotta see the show. We're gonna see the show. We made it. We made it.
Let me tell you, they're great. They're gonna go, what are you doing? Leave me alone. Go! Sing it! Yeah. Let's go. Sing.
The next day. Casino. Three hours later. Yeah. What are we gonna get, man? What are we gonna get? Major! What the hell is a major? Holy fuck, cash out, dog. Oh, good shit. The next day. Today we see the shark, baby. Shark do ma. Today, we say goodbye to the comp room of the Encore. Thank you so much. Time to go. That's our plane about to board, and that's my girlfriend gambling. Still gambling. Stop gambling, kids. You'll end up like her. Hello, what do you want? We have arrived.